Hey guys, welcome to another channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unlock the Tecno Spark 20. So here we go. First of all guys, turn off your phone. And after that, you have to enter recovery mode, which you can do by holding the volume up and the power key together. So hold both of the keys like this. And after that, you're gonna see the no command screen, which you can bypass by pressing the power key and the volume up key together. Also try volume down key, and also you have to try both of the volume keys while holding the power button. So now guys, when you're in recovery mode, from here go to wipe data, factory reset, and that's it guys. Now your phone will be unlocked and hard reset. That's it guys. Now you can reboot your phone and just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.